Hello my dear friends, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome again at this YouTube channel and also at this Facebook page. If you are a student, I hope you can gain well and you must watch of my video. If you are a learner, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to speak English. My dear friend, we are providing to you your whole grammar and you must watch of my video because if you are a student, if you are a learner, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to speak fluently and confidently, you must watch of my video. I hope you will get do well and you can get something here, my dear friends. If you are a student, if you are a English learner, if you are facing problem to improve your communication skill, if you want to learn a skill and how develop our communication skill, if you think that, and we are providing your whole grammar sentence. If you know, if you don't know make of the sentences, you can watch to me and you can learn well here, my dear friends. We are solving your grammar portion. If you are a student, if you want to improve, if you think that how to improve of my skill, my dear friends, you must watch of my video. We are providing to you basic. If you student of class 6 to class 12th, if you want to improve yourself, you must watch and you can gain well here, my dear friends. So in this video we are going to solve grammar portion and you must watch class 6 to class 12th student, class 6 to class 12th student, and all of them, my dear friends, who want to learn and who want to improve your communication skill. If you are a learner, if you think that, so you must watch of my video. And how am I getting speak English, also you can watch to me. We are studying present and indefinite tense, my dear friend. We are providing to you in basic. We are studying present indefinite tense and we will make interrogative sentence, my dear friend. I always say to you, if you want to speak English, then you have to need know make of the sentences. You have to need lot of first, my dear friends, if you want to do well. As we put up a sentence, how you will make, my dear friends, what will be rule? If you are a student, you can study well here. Rule is, what will be rule? It, my dear friends, we would use before of the subject do or does plus subject plus, we use do or does plus subject plus verb plus object. It is your interrogative sentence, my dear friends. We can study in your English, also in your Hindi, now in which you are feeling comfortable. So in this video we would not speak English. If you are watching to me, my dear friends, you can say to me, it is also CBSC board, CBSC board student, also UV board. Grammar solution, my dear friends. How we will make sentence, you must watch and I hope you can gain well. If you are a student, you must watch and you can learn here well. do you believe in city? And we have put up question and we take a question mark in last. Do you live in the city? What will be my dear friends? It is a plural number. You, it is a plural. It is your rule. Do or does when we make interrogative sentence in present indefinite tense. If you are a learner, you must watch. We are providing your whole solution in your book. What is rule? Do, does, before of subject. सब्जेक्ट से पहले क्या लगाएंगे? डू, डज प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. आई हैव टू say to you, my dear friends, and you must know that at this talk. Do you live in the city? Do you live in the city? What we used? It is the plural. Then we will use you. If any sentence does Mohan play cricket? Does Mohan play cricket, my dear friends? Does Mohan play cricket? Does Mohan does be used when subject is singular. Singular. Mohan is singular. Mohan. Then we use does. Does Mohan play cricket? It is your verb. It is your object. So I hope you are getting understand well and you can learn here well, my dear friends. We are solving your whole doubt in your grammar portion, and let's be solve something more, and I hope you can gain well, my dear friends. If you think that how to learn English, it is the most important for you, my dear friends, for spoke English. For the spoke English, it is the most important, because I have watched lot of people who is study in CBSE board. Lot of people not getting speak fluently. Why? Because they only study his book. I know that they have lot of knowledge, but they not feel to comfortable speak for English confidently. If you would see them, they will feel hesitate how to keep up my thoughts front to you, how you will understand well to me, my dear friends. If you are a student, if you want to improve yourself in your college life, you start to improve yourself, my dear friends. Otherwise, when you leave your college, academic education 10th or 12th, then when you will go, you need to English lot of us. So start now, my dear friends, now. If you want to study lot of us in your future, if you want to go in your future for study in another state, another city, leaving your home, you must know that at this talk. If you are a student, if you study further, you must focus in your English, because English is the most important for to you, for everyone person, for everyone. So you will see who is taken introduce, or who take interview to you, my dear friends. HR. Suppose that you think in your mind HR. Who is HR? Who introduction to you in English? What? Introduce yourself. First question he asks to you. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself, my dear friends. First question he put up to you. Introduce yourself. अपना परिचय बताइए. Then you will start. I am Sandeep. I am Sandeep. I have passed 10th and 12th, and I have completed our engineering. So you will, they asked a lot of us your hobbies, what is your hobbies, and in which company you have to do work, and have experience, what is your strength, what is your weakness, what is your hobby. Lot of questions they put up to you. If you not know, lot of us, my dear friends, they put up you question, lot of us, you must know that, because also I am a engineer. I have completed our engineering, and my dear friends, I know that all of them. Let's come be study more. My dear friends, for the spoken English is the most important to grammar portion. If you want to speak fluently and confidently, as for me, my dear friends, you can go and you can watch to me how am I getting speak, how I have to learn English, and how I am teaching to you at this whiteboard. If you want to learn well, you can watch to me and you can gain well. Next question. Does Sneha does Sneha does Sneha swim in the river? Does Sneha is subject, and subject is singular. Then what we will use? Does. If your subject is singular, then we will use singular does. Before of the subject we use does. So we use does, and Sneha is subject. Swim means तैरना in the river, नदी में क्या स्नेहा नदी में तैरती है. तो ये आपका सेंटेंस हो गया, और आपका हो रहा है समय ज़्यादा. तो वी आर स्टॉपिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ़ यू आर स्टूडेंट, इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न, इफ यू वांट टू मेक if you want to make well, and if you want to improve yourself, my dear friends, you can watch to me, and you can also learn a lot of us here. We are providing to you your whole grammar, your whole doubt, and your whole question solution in your physics class 11 and class 12th, and mathematics class 11 and class 12th. And we are providing to you whole grammar portion. If you are a student, if you are a learner, if you want to improve yourself, if you are thinking that how to improve myself, how we can improve my communication skill, how we can speak confidently on the stage without hesitation, and how we can speak anywhere place, you can watch to me, my dear friends. We are giving to you lot of help, and you can gain well here, and you can learn well here. So thank you watching this video, and love you, all of you. If you are watching to me, don't forget push the bell icon, and we have to need your support. Thank you. Jai Hind.